It is TZB, 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 TZB. Who it is? TZB, 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 TZB. Who it is? TZB, 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 TZB back at you with another banger. But before we start, I would like for every single body to stop what they doing. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Comment, like, and subscribe. And keep that post notification bell always on. Don't ever turn that off because I'ma always give y'all good quality videos. But as y'all can see, I'm doing a review on the E-40 Wrap Snacks Icon Noodles. This flavor is beef prime rib flavor. And a little motivational saying it says on here is believe in yourself first before you believe in anyone else. Let's go ahead and see what these are like. And this is what the top of it look like. Okay. Let me check these out. And I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. To me, it could have more flavor. It could have more flavor. They're good. It's just it could have more flavor. I don't know if they was trying to go more of the healthy route, but it could have a little bit more flavor. Yeah, man. It could have a lot more flavor, but y'all comment down below if y'all have tried the Wrap Snack noodles. And let me know, comment down below which one is your favorite. They're good, it's just, man, they could have a lot more flavor. It's like, to me, they taste plain. They taste plain. They taste plain. But they're good. I would eat these again. They are good, but could have a little more flavor. Maybe if you want to add some hot sauce or whatever you want to add to it, but they're good. I would advise people go out there and get you some Wrap Snacks. Noodles. Go get you some. These are real good. Now comment down below if y'all tried them and which one is your favorite. Y'all have a blessed life, a blessed day, not just today, but every single day. Stay prayed up and stay safe. And always use common sense. I love y'all. And I love everybody in the whole entire world. I love you and Jesus love you. Out to the next video.